Okay, we're going to make the batter for the Oreos. So what we have here is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and to that we're going to add 4 tablespoons of sugar. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. We're going to add a half a teaspoon of baking soda.
1 teaspoon of sea salt.
And what we're going to do now is mix together our wet ingredients. Put that aside. I'm going to beat those. To that, I'm going to add a 1/4 of a cup of melted butter. Make sure that butter is not hot. You do not want to cook your eggs. To that, I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. And 1.5 cups of milk. Do is going to mix this with our dry ingredients very slowly. Okay, we'll let this sit and we'll start our oil. We'll get that heated up to 375 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, our oil's up to temperature, so what we're going to do is throw a couple in the batter. We're going to shake off any excess. We're going to carefully put it in the oil. Okay, there you have it, deep fried Oreos. Let's cut one of these open. Oh my God, they're good. Feels like I'm up there. All right, there you go. Now you know how to make them. All right, good luck. Keep it moving, keep it flowing.